Hi, in this video we are going to see about a MATLAB IEEE project which is entitled as Deep Learning Based Real-Time Vehicle Detection and Collision Prediction with Distance-Based Alert System, which is an enhancement of IEEE base paper titled Collision Prediction in an Integrated Framework of Scenario-Based and Data-Driven Approaches, which is an IEEE 2024 journal paper. So before seeing the execution of the project, let me brief about this project. So we all know about the accidents that is occurring day by day is increasing all over the world. So it is a global issue. So there are various types of preventive measures are being taken. So not only for the manual systems but also in the automated driving systems, we wanted some advancements for the prediction of the collision between two vehicles or cars like that. So in this base paper, the authors have proposed a collision prediction system, which is a combination based on the data driven approach and the scenario based approach. So based on this they have developed, but kindly note that we are not going to do the same as mentioned in the base paper. So they have used some hardware component, sensors, datas and everything, and they have done it, but we are not going to do the same as mentioned in the base paper. So now let us see about our proposed system or model. So here you can see our proposed title, and here you can see the IEEE base paper title. This is the IEEE base paper abstract. So coming to our proposed abstract, so we are going to develop the deep learning based real-time vehicle detection collision prediction system with the distance-based alert system. So with this project is going to be developed using MATLAB, which is going to be integrated using the pre-trained model YOLO v4 in it. So based on the distance measurement, it also gives a text alert in the system display and also the sound alert in it. So there are three types of levels given, that is vehicles near, very near, it will give for immediate collision risk, so that gives a noise, and vehicles little far for potential risk, and vehicles very far for safe distancing. So these parameters have been displayed in our proposed system. When we are seeing the execution of the project, you can come to know about it. So the main objective is to develop the robust and efficient deep learning based system for the real-time vehicle detection in traffic scenes using the YOLO v4 model, which is trained on the COCO data set. So this is a pre-trained model. So we are going to implement the distance measurement algorithm to access the proximity distance between the detected vehicles and the camera mounted vehicle. So based on that, it will be predicting it. So in the existing system, coming to the existing system, so we are going to consider the base paper as the existing part. So as mentioned, the base paper integrates both scenario based and the data driven approach to enhance the safety in the autonomous vehicles and the advanced driver assistance system. So here they have used approach and framework that is used in the existing system is the trajectory prediction and threat matrix model through simplified bird's eye view representation as an input to the CNN model, and they have employed Kalman filter, all those details. So those details of the existing system has been described particularly in this existing system part. And coming to the disadvantages of the existing system, so it is mainly dependent on the sensor data. So we need hardware components, so like vision sensor, radar, GPS, kinds of thing, and there is a computational complexity in it. So and also there are challenges in the model explainability. So there is also problem in the false positive and negative predictions, etc. So those details are being described in the disadvantages of existing system. So in our project we are not going to use any kind of hardware, it is based on the MATLAB only. So here in the proposed system you can see that we are going to develop using MATLAB and employ the pre-trained model YOLO v4 algorithm in it. So first one is like we will be acquiring the video and processing it. The system retrieves the video input from the real-time world traffic scenario captured to the dash cam or surveillance camera, etc. So those videos will be converted into individual frames, so that will be analyzed for the vehicle detection and the collision detection. So for vehicle detection, we will be using pre-trained YOLO v4 model. So that model is already been trained with the COCO data set, so which contains multiple objects like person, bicycle, car, motorcycle, aeroplane, bus, train, etc. So using YOLO V4 deep learning model, vehicles are identified in each frame. After that, distance measurement is being implemented to the detected vehicle and the mounted vehicle. So based on the distance measured only, the collision prediction part will be working. After that, it will be giving the alert mechanism via text and the sound signals. So this is about the proposed system, and the main advantages of the proposed system is high accuracy vehicle detection, real time operated in real time. Then there is no any physical component required for it. It is scalable to diverse scenarios. So precise distance measurement has been also been implemented. That is an advantage, and comprehensive alert system is a main advantage of the proposed system than the existing system, and it is easy for the implementation and enhanced road safety. So it support for the calm conditions also, and low latency alert. So these are all the main advantages of the proposed system that has been described here. And coming to the system architecture, we'll be providing the test video that will be converted into frames, and frames extraction will be done, and then the YOLO V4 train model will be loaded, and vehicle detection part will be done. After the vehicle is detected, the distance measurement will be calculated and the alert system will be done. So these are the modules of the project, and these are the module description for each module, what are the things that been done. Coming to the system requirements, these are the minimum hardware requirements and then software requirements. So it will be executed in Windows 10 or 11. The coding language is MATLAB, and the tool that we have used is MATLAB or 2024B, the latest one. And this is the IEEE base paper reference that has been shown. So now let us see the execution of the project. So first open your MATLAB or 2024B. So it takes some time. Meanwhile, go into the source code location. Inside that we have these files. Just copy all the files. Now go to the documents folder. There you can see the MATLAB folder, that is the default folder automatically created while installing. Now you need to paste it. So now we have pasted all the things inside the MATLAB folder. So while the MATLAB is open, automatically you can see the files will be loaded. You can see now MATLAB is open. So now in the left side panel you can see what are the file that is copied. Now it is already open. So before executing, make sure that you have installed all the toolboxes that is mentioned during the installation video. And this project particularly requires another extra toolbox other than the thing that is mentioned in the installation video. That is it requires the computer vision toolbox model for YOLO V4. So you need to install this by going to the add-ons part. So make sure that you have installed all the required toolboxes. So after installing all the required toolboxes, so you need to execute the project. So now let us click the final.m, right click it, and then click the run. So kindly wait for a few minutes. So now you can see the GUI window. The first thing is you need to load the video into the GUI part. Before that, I'll show you the video. So here in the source code, you can see the test videos where we have given 3 videos. You can see the video 2. This is the video 2, which contains 6 seconds. You can see this is the video. First, let me show you with this video. This is the video I'm going to give now. So just select this load video. First, select this load video. Inside the test video, let me select video 2, and kindly wait till the complete loading process is completed. Kindly wait. You'll be seeing the message. After that, you'll need to click the next process. So kindly wait till the video is being loaded. So now you can see the video loaded message. You need to wait till it is completed. So now it is loaded, so it is messaging. So let's click OK. So now you need to click this alert system. So just click this alert system. So it takes some time to process, or after that you can see the vehicle detection using YOLO V4 part, and then you can see the detected vehicle plus camera mounted vehicle part, and you can see the calculated distance, and you can see the alert here. So you can see the distance. So once if it is very near, you can hear this beep sound. So you can see the distance in pixels, distance in meters here, an alert system. When the vehicle is little far, there will not be any alert, or if it is very far also there will not be alert. Only if it is very near you will get the alert. Now you can see it is very near, so it is giving an alert. So because the distance is 1 meter, so there is an risk of collision. So vehicle very near, alert is given through text and beep sound also. So once the vehicle moves far away, you can see the alert will be changed. The distance is increased now. So now the vehicle is little far. So now whatever the video that is given, it's fully processed, so you can see the complete message. Click OK. So now let me close this, and now let me run it again. Let me load the video. This time I'll just load the other video. So kindly wait till the loaded message is completed. So now the video loaded is shown, so click OK. So now let me go to the alert system part. So now you can see the vehicles are very near, so that has been alerted. Now the distance is 1 meters. now this is also completed, so you click OK. So in this way you can execute this project. So this is all about the project deep learning based real-time vehicle detection collision prediction with distance based alert system. And thank you for watching.